As you're curating your closet and shopping for the pieces you need, it's helpful to have a way to track which items you still need to purchase. We highly recommend using the Interactives Closet during your shopping outings. It gives you the power to use categories, filters, and sorting options, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what you need. Plus, you can review important details about each piece, including specifics to keep in mind when you're adding something to your collection. But we get it. Sometimes having a tangible list to take along with you is just easier. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's look at how you can print this list right from your closet page using your computer or laptop. While possible, we don't recommend printing from a phone. Before we jump in, a few key things to remember. Make sure you've marked off the items you already have in your closet by checking the box next to each piece. That way, you can set the filters to only show what you're missing. Also, remember that when you print, it captures everything that's on your screen at that moment. This includes the size of your window. Now let's get started by choosing how to display the information. If you want a detailed view with photos of the items and any notes that you've made, choose Detailed at the top of the page. For a simpler list, opt for List View. Next, use the filters on the left to narrow down to items you still need. You can even filter by season for a more tailored shopping experience. If you have multiple closets, remember to pick the correct one from the top drop-down menu. Once you're happy with the filtered list, scroll down to the bottom of the page to ensure all of your items have loaded. You might need to wait a bit for additional items to load. This step is essential because your printout will only show what's currently displayed on the screen. Next, resize your window to about half the size of a typical computer screen. This ensures each item entry is fully visible and appropriately sized when the list is printed. Then simply right-click and select Print, or use Ctrl or Command P to open the print dialog box. If the print preview doesn't look quite right when it comes up, no problem. Just cancel the print, adjust your page size, and try again. Once you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and print your list. And that's how to print a shopping list from the Interactives Closet.